Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body part or muscle using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to highlight this body part using this red background. So make sure you have prepared a red background image like this to be the highlighter. Okay, and I'm just going to add this image to my project, and I'm going to extend the duration according to my video duration. Alright, and now it's time to apply mask to this image. I'm gonna go to the mask and click on add mask, and I'm just going to choose the circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit, and I'm going to place it here on the muscle. Alright, and then you're going to go to the basic and scroll down until you find the blend mode, and you can choose the mode, the best mode for your editing. I'm going to try screen. Oh no, it's not good. Or hard light, or let's try the multiply. Okay, and I think it looks good, and I'm going to adjust the feather. I'm gonna go back to the mask, and then we can adjust the feather here like this, okay, to blend it with our video. Okay, and this is the result. If the body part is moving, you can use keyframe to make the highlight follow the moving part. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part or muscle on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.